INDIAWOOD 2022 is fabulous. It was fabulous. It is fabulous. We had great interactions, and I think we've had the most amount of joy of doing business.
The best show in this year.
Super great to reconnect with people.
We are very impressed and we are very happy with the platform, with the infrastructure, and with the exposure INDIAWOOD as an organization provides.
The one word I can describe about this exhibition, this particular edition of the exhibition is pure madness here. And it's fantastic.
Excellent opportunity for us.
It's great. It is much better than what we expected.
It's a great exhibition.
It's exceeded my expectations.
It's been very good. Everybody here at the German Pavilion is very satisfied.
This INDIAWOOD 2022 is nothing short of our tagline, which is tradition to innovation.